All right, now, SGG family, man. Thank y'all, man. So this one is one of the most constant questions we're asked, and we truly appreciate it because we totally understand. Viable, understandable. I mean, it's a great question, man. Question is, can I get a grill if I have crooked teeth? And yes, a lot of times people will say they need to get his teeth fixed, this and that. Man, everybody doesn't want to do that. Sometimes people want their teeth to be exactly how it is. So a lot of times when people come to get their grill from me, they want the grill made exactly how their teeth is also. But then I have people who ask me can I straighten it up and things like that. I'm in my window so I can get you guys some nice light. I'm at the house like everybody else, about to start back working, but I'm still working on my plan, World domination. We're doing great, you guys. The website is tripled in traffic, you guys. So something's going good. But yeah, man. So watch this. I'll get my gloves snapped in there. There we go. So these things are, what you're looking at is a two-tone. See the yellow? You see the white. You see the stamp, boy. You see the stamp, 10K. Stamp's going to be stamped. But this got the 10K white and yellow gold. It's got the trillion cuts and the full fangs. And then, like, I'd say 3/4 cuts on the front four. You can go half cuts. You can go quarter cuts. Half would be about right here, and then 3/4. Left a little bit of polish on the bottom. You see the difference between the white and the yellow. You can see it. It's definitely prevalent. Let me give you a little bit more lighting so you can see what trillion cuts do. This is no diamond dust at all. This is just straight trillion cuts. Polished. So you can get the diamond dust on top of these cuts, too. It'll be on all these little bodies, and that's a total different type of deal, you know what I mean? But yeah, look at that. Full backs and all the grills now. Download that mobile app, guys. I'm telling you, download that mobile app. Instant 10% off, just right inside the app immediately for downloading it. So tell all your friends, hey man, go mess with Seattle Gold Grillz. They automatically give them deals. Plus they got the 10% off deal. Plus in my mobile app, man, I'm telling you, if you become a mobile app user, bro, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to get access to all the YouTube videos, access to all the Facebook, all the Instagram, all the coupons, all the first sales before anybody else. There's going to be sales that comes to the mobile app that only come to the mobile app users. So download that immediately on Google Play and App Store. We're almost at 1,000 downloads, y'all, thanks to you. So, man, keep supporting us, man. We're going to keep supporting you. Goal is to hit 1 million in a couple years, hopefully within 3 to 5 years. You keep telling people, who knows how quickly we get there. But yeah, man, see how on these ones, man, let me get back to business. It doesn't look, I mean, I didn't do too much because I don't like messing with your smile. I want you to still have your same bite. We're talking about teeth here. You move a teeth a millimeter and it's not comfortable, you know what I mean? So ours are super tight. They don't come off like that, man. And we look forward to shipping one to you. The way it works, we ship the mold kits to you. You ship it back. We make your grill. It's very easy, guys. We made the process very simple, and we making these things fit too. So cover up missing teeth. This is what this grill was all about. This is what this video was all about, you guys. Thank you all for supporting me as usual. We're gonna be having a whole bunch of these videos coming out at you guys, and thank you for the customers that give me the time to do these videos and feature your grills. When they see these grills, everybody knows whose they are. They be like, "That's mine," you know what I mean? Because you guys order these. It's like, so I created the hashtag Get Creative. Hashtag Just Smile, and in the business of smiles, because that's what we do, man. We get to see you guys' amazing smiles every day, and we appreciate you guys. We're gonna ramp up this marketing even going into next year because this pandemic hit us, and we just flipped the whole game around, man. The website is triple the traffic. So tell all your friends, keep supporting us, and we will keep supporting you, man. Have a great week. Stay positive. Stay blessed. I look forward to working with you. If I already have, I look forward to doing the next piece for you. Keep getting creative, man. Keep throwing them ideas at me, man. You guys see my videos. We can put it together any way you want. Any way you can possibly think of it. All right, now, have a good one. Stay positive. Stay blessed, y'all. Peace out.